What's up, Michelle? Michelle, allow me to introduce myself. I'm the dude on the ticket. The dude on that screen right there, and that big ass one right there, that's me right there. I don't mean to toot my own horn, like, beep! No, just listen, Michelle, let me be honest with you. We've been having a competition backstage, right? The guys think they got better game than me when it comes to the R&B breakdown. I think that they're out of their mind. But since I'm in a good mood tonight, I'm going to actually give them the opportunity to do so. Starting with the biggest mouth in the group, Mr. Dwayne Duggan. Dwayne, what you got to say to Michelle? Let's see what you got, pimp. Ladies and gentlemen, Dwayne Duggan.
What's good, shorty? What you doing?
Get your ass, man. Hey, let's get it, shawty, let's get it. Michelle's a classic winner. It's gonna take a little more than that. The second biggest mouth in the group, Mr. Cameron Whalen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see the Cameron Whalen all the way from Memphis. Cameron, talk to Michelle.
Girl, you so fine. I drink every last drip of your bad water.
Yeah! Class and sophistication. Michelle, I'll be honest with you. I'd be lying if I told you I was the best at this. There's one guy in the band that's really good. It's only because he's been doing this since the 3rd grade. He's an old school player in the group. He still shouts at the Goodwill, but you know what? It's all good. Ladies and gentlemen, I want y'all to make some noise for the true R&B champion, Mr. Philip Lawrence. Talk to him, man. Michelle. Oh!
And you know, I don't want to come up here and embarrass you in front of all these people, but I noticed a little connection between you and me. You know, Michelle, I wrote a poem about you. It goes like this. Michelle, Michelle, sweet, sweet Michelle. For the first time in my life, I think I hear wedding bells. You know, but I want to get a little more intimate with you, something I've never done before. Help me out. I'm on my knees now, girl. I don't do that for nobody, you know what I'm saying? But you know what, I still think you need a little bit of convincing, Michelle. Let me have the fellas help me out. Come on, let's put that R&B thug on.
She ain't ready for it. She ain't ready for it.
That's a whole lot of man candy right there. That's an extra dose of man candy right there. If it's too much, Michelle, you might wanna run away, young lady. You might just run away, Michelle. You better